And so they keep on twiddling them thumbs, skiddly-dee-dee-dum, skiddly-dee-dee-dum. They're gonna.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to SoCal Slime Bonanza and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of our drive right here. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Audrey, say hi to the vlog. Hi! Hi guys, hey. I'm here with Audrey. Slime Bonanza starts in 15 minutes, so that's really fun. Hi. Okay, so I used to put snails. Sophia! Go follow me, sister! 1 second. Hey guys, we're at SoCal Slime Bonanza! This is Audrey's line. It's insane already. Hi. Okay. Hi. Hi, Mom.
So if you are a diamond pass holder, come on up to the stage.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Sasha, and I love musicals. That's all I have to say.
What's that question? Yeah.
A question?
You can say anything.
To you or to?
To anything, I guess. To me, the vlog. Thank you.
I'll ask you a question.
Sure.
How did you learn about slime?
I was watching slime videos on YouTube, and I found really cool and creative accounts that inspired me.
That's cool. Hi guys! Slimy cactus. You're live? You're alive right now? Hello. Hey girl, hey.
Hey. She has such cute charms.
You should get these like cute.
They're so cute. Okay. Like, look how cute her charms are,
Oh my
guys.
gosh, she's eggs.
I'm Slime Girls. Thank you so much for coming to my event. I really appreciate it. And thank you all for Question Time for helping me with this.
Okay.
You're welcome. Bonanza.
Yeah, I love your booth. It's so cute.
I sold out several things.
Yeah.
Feel free to check them out.
Thank you. Okay.
Hi vlog, nice to see you. Slimy Cactus, hi. Hey guys, it's Audie Slimes. I'm over here at SoCal Slime Bonanza. And I'm just saying hi to the vlog.
Hi guys. Okay. They're about to get ready for the Q&A. All the famous Slimers are heading down for this Q&A. So it's gonna be pretty sweet. So yeah, I'll film some of that. I'll see if anyone here. Hello. So guys, it's about to start. So many people vlogging this awesome event. So yeah.
First event was at a different location, and I know Lucy, you were at I think our first event, so thank you so much for coming to that. But you know, it's amazing to see how it's grown, and similar to a business, how it just blossomed and grown.
Hi, we're the Good Bonanza Girls. Go check us out on Instagram.
Okay.
Hi. We're at SoCal Slime Bonanza.
Yeah.
And I just came.
We're sisters snatching slimes.
Hi guys, Sophia's live and I'm just vlogging her going live because I'm really bored. But this is a very successful event. It's amazing. I spent all my money, so that's great. Bye.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Oh my god. These like this try making it.
Yeah, it's so cute. Palettes, dollar bin. She has so many cool things like clays, glitters, and like look how cute this little sponge is. I might have to get this glitter. This Java chips, so much cool stuff.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna like feel the sample here.
Eliana's booth.
I would give it to you though. I was slime to it. Thank you. 11 or 2 for $20.
$5 value. Second prize is Michael's gift card and 10 slimes. That's a $175 value. So once again, if you want to enter that raffle, all you got to do is go find the...
Hi guys, I'm with my sister. We are back at Sasha's slime to spin the wheel like 20 million more times. Because Sasha, you're amazing, okay? That's he. Okay, thanks.
All right. Close your I'll close mine. Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Cool, thank
All right,
you.
ready?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop.
And stop. Ooh, thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys, look how adorable this is. Can I pet her?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I love so precious. Thank you. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Yeah. Ooh, you're on the vlog. My sister got those. Say something, Alice. You're on the vlog. Bomb, bomb. Just a close up on your face. Ooh, queen. Okay, yeah, sorry. So we're just sitting here. We just bought a whole buttload of slime. Like, what is this? I bought like a good 25 slime for 30. So yeah,
Everybody right
yeah,
now. We're having fun.
we're eating lunch now because we're starving. We've been here since like 10 and 9, and yeah, we're just playing with slime. So cool. You guys, Slime Yoda is doing a 2-buy-2 get one free sale. So the line is forming again, even though the event ends in 15 minutes. And I ran out of money, but I did Sasha's deal, and she's so generous. So she gave me this slime for $10, which is so sweet of her. So thank you. Bye.
Hi, welcome to the vlog. This is my vlog.
Hey guys. Yeah. So we got this big thing of guac and chips for $5. The convention is still going on. There's like 10 minutes left. It's super fun. I'm gonna show you guys Dakota's dancing because she's a pretty good dancer. And this place is cheap and delicious. Yes.
It smells like tortilla chips and lotion.
Why do you know what that smells like?
We haven't eaten tortilla chips. Yeah.
Ooh, go Valentino.
Yes.
This is Hawaiian bread from Slimy Squirrel.
Slimy Squirrels. This is Hawaiian bread. I stole this.
Crunchy slime competition.
Congrats.
Holly,
Congrats, Holly.
hey, Holly, everybody. Best ever one.
You guys, like, look how messy our table is. It's filled with food and slime, but you know, here's Dakota just eating her chips. Oh,
Did she leave?
No.
Is she still here?
Sophia, right?
Yeah. She left like maybe
Here, I can take them.
She's still here? She
No,
left
she
like an
left.
hour ago.
Sophia, if you're watching this, I have your clout goggles.
I have your vlog goggles.
So the convention's still going. It should end in like a minute or so. It's really sad. Thank you so much, Eliana and Brian, for hosting such an amazing event. Please host a 5 because it'd be so amazing. And there is Illuminati Slimes. So there she is. Woo! Okay, bye. Bye, Dakota. It was so nice meeting you. I'm gonna miss this sweet thing. Go follow me, Slimes, on Instagram. Bye, best friend. Bye.
I need to redo that because it's tall.
Hi guys, so Slime Bonanza just ended, or like it's ending, and it's really sad because we all had so much fun. Thank you so much for hosting this, guys. It was amazing. I enjoyed it so much, and it was so fun. I loved meeting each and every one of you, and I can't wait for the next convention.
That's so cringy.
You guys, Slime Bonanza ended. So really sad.
I'm like crying inside.
Like a single tear.
You can't see it on the outside.
Yeah, but I'm gonna miss this girl, but we're gonna see each
We're
other
gonna see
again
each other
soon.
next month.
Yeah, so that's fine. Bye, guys. Bye.
And so they keep on twirling them thumbs, fiddle-a-dee-dee.